Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, is gonna be nail tutorial. I'm just gonna share with you how I do my gel nails at home. This is the first time I'm gonna do It's the first time I'm gonna actually show you how I do the French nails. I actually just learned recently how to do them properly, and there's a very simple technique. I'm gonna share with you how I do my gel nails at home. Again, I'm not a professional. I'm not a nail professional. I'm not a nail technician, so this is just how I do. Maybe I do something wrong, and it's definitely not perfect, but this is how I do it. And at these times, when most probably in your area the salons are closed, it's really good to know 1-2 things how to do beauty things for yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it at home. You can learn it. The things always you can get in Amazon, all the products. I'm not sure about gel lacquers, but for sure there's some online shops where you can buy them, and the rest things you can easily buy for cheap in Amazon. So yeah, everything I will leave down below where you can get these things. And yeah, let's start the video tutorial on these nails. Peace.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us.
So all you will need is a sterilizer, gel manicure cleanser, base and top gel sealer, base if you are not doing the extensions but you are doing on your natural nails, then some gel colors, also the white for the French, primer, cuticle oil, UV gel sculpting gel if you are doing extensions, also stickers for extensions, lint-free wipes, all different strength files, and a buffer, dusting brush, different brushes for applying the gel and doing the French, cuticle pusher, cuticle nipper, and of course the UV light for the gel manicure. And of course the most important, bare nails. So yeah, let's go. First, what we're gonna do, we're gonna push the cuticles away from our natural nail, and this is just gonna keep our nails really nice, neat, and give more space where to work. Then we're gonna file off the shiny layer on the natural nail. This is gonna keep the gel for longer period of time. Just make sure you don't file off too much. And of course after that you're gonna dust off the dust with a brush, and this is optional. If you want, you can cut the cuticles. Again, it's gonna make the manicure look more clean, more better. After that we're gonna sanitize our nails or hands with the alcohol spray, and then you want to apply the primer, and just make sure you apply it very carefully, only on the nail. Then if you are doing the extension part, we will take the stickers, just gonna put the stickers as it's supposed to be, how you put it. And yeah, for the video I'm just gonna show you how I do the 2 nails, but obviously you do the rest of the nails the same way. I'm not gonna show you all each nail how I do, but yeah, here I'm just gonna apply the stickers like this, and then we're gonna start to do the extensions. First, with the UV sculpting gel, you just want to apply a thin layer of this gel only on your natural nail, and then you want to cure it for about 3 minutes under the UV light. And after that we're gonna start to build the extension. This is optional how long and what kind of shape you want. I mean, obviously you cannot really make a perfect shape right here, so it actually doesn't matter. Just imagine how long and where you want to go with the gel and just build it right there. And this time you're gonna apply the gel only on the sticker part and just tiny bit on your natural nail tip, and then you're gonna cure for another 3 minutes. After that, you're gonna apply again a thin layer all over your natural and the extension part and cure it for another 3 minutes. Then you're gonna take a nice amount on the brush from the sculpting gel and just kind of shape the nail. Just look from the sides so the nail kind of builds up nicely and the shape is good, not very like straight. It has like a little, I don't know how to say, mountain, so it doesn't break easily and soon. Then after you finish curing for another 3 minutes, we're gonna remove the stickers from the fingers, and it looks about like this. Extension goes. And to remove the sticky layer, we're gonna use, you can use actually Adstone also, it's the same thing like nail polish remover. Yeah, then you're just gonna go with a file and file the desired shape of the nail you want, like rounded, square, oval, like any shape you want. And don't forget also to file off the top of the nail so it's like nice and straight and not bumpy with any like gel bumps, if you know what I mean. Looks about this, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other nail. After that, we're gonna brush off the dust again and sanitize the fingers to remove all the dust. Then we're gonna prime our nails again with the same primer, very nicely, very carefully, as you can see. And then we're gonna start to apply our base gel. I'm gonna use like a very soft milky pink color, and yeah, this is gonna take actually a lot of layers. I realized it only when I started to do it, like it took so many layers to build up to get that really nice pinky milky shade. But the good thing is that you need to cure this lacquer only for like 30 seconds, so it was pretty quick. And then after you have applied all the layers of your base color, we're gonna start to do the French tip. Again, you can choose any other color you want. I'm gonna do the classic white, and as you can see, my brush was actually broken, so it was very hard for me to work with this brush and kind of create the shape. But yeah, I was a bit struggling. And after I applied a little bit the color, it doesn't matter if it goes a little bit messy. You're gonna take a little bit of nail polish remover, dip a very like precise thin brush and kind of start to clean up, and it really is so easy and so nice to clean up with the brush and the Adstone like this. It's just so easy. All you need is a very steady hand that doesn't shake and you're good to go. And the French tip you can do as thick you want. You can do it thicker, less thicker. For me, I just wanted a really nice thin French line. And yeah, then you're gonna just cure for another 30 seconds, and the finish is just to apply the top gel sealer. And just from my experience, I suggest you to apply a really nice thin layer of the top gel sealer, because it might break faster or have some bumps. So make sure you apply a nice thin layer. And after we cured in the UV light, we're gonna remove the sticky top layer again, and yeah, basically that's it. We're just gonna apply some cuticle oil to really nourish our fingers after that all dryness and just all that work, you know, those cuticles are very dry, and done. That's about it, guys. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you do try this technique. It's out there for a long time, but I just now found it out that it's so easy to do French like this. And yeah, hope you like it, and I hope to see you next Sunday. Bye.